Imagine a laptop that combines power, portability, and stunning visuals. Meet the MacBook Air 13-inch M3. With its vivid 13.6-inch Retina display, this notebook is perfect for work, gaming, and everything in between. The sleek, modern design comes in 4 color options, making it as stylish as it is functional. At the heart of this beauty is the powerful M3 chip, delivering exceptional performance for all your tasks. Whether you're editing videos, playing games, or running AI applications, the M3 chip handles it all effortlessly. The MacBook Air M3 isn't just about power, it's also about endurance with its astonishing battery life. Imagine working for 15 hours straight without needing to recharge. That's the power of the M3. Despite its power, this laptop remains ultra-portable, weighing just 2.7 pounds. It's so thin and light, you might forget you're carrying it in your bag. The sturdy unibody aluminum chassis not only looks great but feels good to hold. Opening the lid is a breeze, and the hinge glides smoothly, making it easy to use on the go. The MacBook Air M3 supports dual monitors, a feature we've all been waiting for. Its bright and colorful display ensures a pleasant viewing experience, whether you're watching movies or working on projects. The display's brightness and color accuracy make every image pop, from Godzilla's radiant energy to Liza P's moody settings. Performance-wise, the M3 chip outshines its predecessor, handling multiple tasks without breaking a sweat. With over 30 open windows and a YouTube video playing, the Air M3 remains unfazed. The 16-core neural engine is designed for AI-driven tasks, making it a future-proof choice. From removing background noise to enhancing photos, the M3's AI capabilities are impressive. Gaming on the MacBook Air M3 is a delight, thanks to its improved GPU and hardware-accelerated features. Games like Liza P run smoothly, offering a consistent 60 frames per second at 1200p resolution. Even non-optimized games perform decently, though not as well as optimized ones. Battery life is another strong suit, with the Air M3 lasting over 15 hours on a single charge. Compared to Windows laptops, the MacBook Air M3's battery life is in a league of its own. The keyboard is a joy to type on, with thick keycaps and a comfortable travel distance. The responsive touchpad never fails to register swipes and clicks, making navigation a breeze. For those who own an older M1 or Intel MacBook, the M3 is a worthy upgrade. Starting at $1,099, it's the most affordable M3 MacBook you can buy, offering excellent value. Even if the performance boost over the M2 is marginal, the M3's overall package is hard to beat. From its ultra-portable design to its powerful performance, the MacBook Air 13-inch M3 is a winner. Whether you're a first-time MacBook owner or looking to upgrade, this laptop won't disappoint. Experience the perfect blend of power, portability, and style with the MacBook Air 13-inch M3. Stay ahead of the curve with the MacBook Air M3, your ultimate companion for work and play.